Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and set up your own Mattermost server from scratch. So if you want a self-hosted alternative to Slack where you can control your data, this is the best option. So let's get into it. Now, first step, you need to decide how to host Mattermost. You can use Mattermost Cloud, but for full control, self-hosting on a Linux servers like Ubuntu is recommended, and Docker makes this super easy. Next, you want to prepare your server. Make sure it has at least 2 CPU cores, 4 GB of RAM, and a public IP address. Also update your system, then install Docker and Docker Compose. These will handle the entire installation automatically. Step 3, create a folder for Mattermost. Download the official Docker Compose file and start the container. This installs both Mattermost and its database in one command, so no complicated setup required. Next step, once that's running, open your browser and go to this website to see the Mattermost setup page. Then you want to create your first account. Now, this becomes the admin account that controls users, channels, and system settings. After that, for step 6, you want to go into the system console and configure basics like your site name, email notifications, user permissions, and file upload limits. Then for security, connect a custom domain and enable HTTPS with Let's Encrypt so everything is encrypted and safe. Finally, invite your teammates using email invites or shareable links, create channels, and start collaborating. And just like that, your Mattermost server is live. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!